Hi, this is Viju.
Hi, this is Guju, and we are going to share a very interesting tidbit from our lives.
Yeah. Have you ever wondered why women, especially your wife, can remember everything in the life, your dates, events, especially the fights? I don't know how.
Because we're blessed with a super memory, Viju. Okay, let me give a demo. Just let me prove this.
Oh,
Okay.
you're going to give me a demo?
Okay. I'll ask you a few questions and let
But
me see.
seriously, we never reverse this. I'm telling you, this is going to be real one. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay. What did you eat for dinner last night?
Dinner. All right, wait. I came home after the beer.
Come on.
Came home. Wait.
This is a simple one, okay? You
Seriously,
cannot-
wait. Oh my God, what did I eat? I had dinner at home. Noodles? No, noodles she gave. She said, I had dosa and
Yeah.
something. Very good.
Okay, one more question.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the date that that we, the entire family, apart from you, landed in Singapore.
That's a tough one.
Come on.
Come on,
We
date.
started living together in Singapore after that, right?
Date when we came to Singapore, I can tell you the month is somewhere about February, March 2012.
No, it's not February. It's March.
In March 2012, but I can't remember the date. Maybe 6th or 8th.
Wrong.
Wrong, huh? Neither 6th nor 8th. Oh my God.
Very close. Okay, I'll give it.
7.
No, 9th.
Oh, man.
Okay, at least you remember when you came, when you landed.
Yeah. Oh, I.
Now you
I
will back
landed-
calculate, I think.
Wait. No, it was 1 week. I feel 28.
27.
Oh, so close.
Okay,
I
so
don't
you
know if
see-
she
you
may be
see?
right. She has to be right.
Oh, of course I'm
Okay,
right. You
I
can go
don't
check
want
all
to- I
our,
don't want to check.
travel records.
Okay. I believe you. I'm going to share with you why I believe her also. This is something which, after 14 years of a married life, I figured it out
Very late.
very late that women are blessed with Ram, men are blessed with Ram. You know, what is it?
Okay, have you heard of this terms called RAM and ROM? Okay, for the people who are, knowing the IT sector, they will know what RAM and ROM are. These are basically the types of memories that are available in your laptop or your computer. So when I say RAM, it is random access memory, and when I say ROM, it is read-only memory. Okay, let me give you a little bit more explanation about RAM and ROM. So the RAM, which is the random access memory, is a volatile memory. Okay.
One. I know.
Okay, so it is used when certain applications are getting utilized or files are getting used, and they are stored temporarily when you are using a certain application. So once you are closing the file, it basically it no longer continues to store whatever is there
Yes.
in that memory. So that is random access memory.
Dead guys.
The once the power is turned off,
Like the way we sleep and we get up, it's all wiped off.
okay, there is no more files left in that. Now comes to ROM. Let's come to ROM, right?
It's
So
you.
that is that's read-only memory, and ROM is essentially a non-volatile memory. Okay, which means that in fact this is a memory that has all your manufacturer's programs that is used to start up your machine. So, and when I say non-volatile, even when your machine is turned off, that whatever files are stored in that memory, the read-only memory, continues to be stored in it. So now you know what is the RAM and ROM, right?
Yes.
You want to
Yeah.
share how it
No, I'll tell you how, why I coined this RAM and ROM between us. See, in the initial part of our marriage, probably about 5-6 years ago, so we used to have a lot of fights. I mean, everybody has
Okay.
fights.
We still do have a lot of
We
fights.
still have a lot of fights. And the worst part is the fight is over, but again another new fight starts the next week. When the fight next week or next month happens, Guju will pick some of the statements I made in the previous fight and she will quote. And she will say, you said this, you said that, and all of that. I will disagree with her. I will say, no, I never said that. She's kind of, just generally pulling a fast one on me, right? But I realize every time, I'm not able to remember what I said also. That's a true fact, right? But she's quoting the statement. I got really, blown up. So then I said, I think the only way I have to do is, then I really started, secretly. This is something which I told her, in fact, last week, and she was laughing. Secretly, I started sending a message to myself. After every fight is over, I will take the gist of that fight
Such
and
a
what
waste of
statements I
time.
made, send a message to me. And the next time the fight came, I will refer back to those messages secretly. I'm saying, "Oh, she's quoting the same thing. I say that was shit." That's the way I used to cross verify. To my shock and surprise, none of those messages were useful to me because she was just reading the message as it is what I had written. Right? Now, I only didn't remember what I typed in my message also. I had to go and refer these messages.
I think this is true with most men.
I then stopped, I said, okay, these messages are not useful for me anymore. I'm going to stop, writing messages. Now, it's okay. I thought maybe she was blessed with some super special skills and memory and stuff like that. Now comes the effect of 2 daughters. We're blessed with 2 daughters, and both of them come. Suddenly one fine day they walk into me and they say, "Daddy, you promised me that last week you're going to actually buy me a toy here. Daddy, you promised me you're going to take us in the evening there. Daddy, you promised." Like
Daddy
this.
forgets promises.
And then I just look at Guju. She said, "Yes, you did." That's what she will say. I'll be thinking, "Oh my God, what's happening around me?" And I just cannot, remember these things.
I think basically women are kind of blessed in that particular department. So the boys don't take us for a ride.
Yes, guys, I think so. But one thing I did, I called both my daughters. I can't handle this. I called them and said, "Listen, today I'm making a promise that I will never promise both of you. That's the promise. You remember this promise, right?" And then I told myself, we just cannot survive like this with the RAM and ROM, right? This is too much of read-only memory. Once written, they are written. For me, it gets off. I keep trying. Today, she asked me 2 questions now. I mean, I didn't want to rehearse. I said, "Okay, you throw me." I was so confident.
Nah,
that
he was
day.
very confident just before we started recording. So
Yeah.
you ask me any question, I'm going to answer it, Guju.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, okay, we'll see.
But yeah, I know. But we are blessed with RAM. Whatever we are blessed with is what we can do with. But we can improve on it, right?
Yes,
That's
definitely.
where
There's a
I
lot of
think-
scope of improvement,
I know.
right? In fact, we were talking about how is it that we can look at certain, tricks or tips.
Hey, hold on, Guju. I guess let's not share the tips now. Probably we should share the tips in the next video.
Sure, let's do that.
Yes.
Okay, so for now, let's stay blessed.
Stay happy.
Okay, subscribe, comment, like to Viju and Guju.
Yeah. See you. Bye.
Bye.